Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use stock screener on investing.com. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app. After that you have to click on the more option, which is at the bottom of the screen. Then at the tools section you can see stock screener. You have to click on that and you can see that you can select the country. Here you can choose the exchange. Here you can see the options and you can choose one of them, and you can choose the sector. Here you can see the sectors, and after that you can add criteria as well. Here you can see the popular ones and some more criteria. And after that you have to click on the show results, and here you can see the matches. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.